In a world where convenience is king, having a tool that can take care of your household chores while you focus on more important tasks is a game changer. Enter the Airrobo P30 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a compact yet powerful cleaning assistant designed to make your life easier by sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping your floors, all in one go. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dusty floors, or low-piled carpets, the Airrobo P30 promises to get the job done with minimal effort from you. But is it worth the investment? In this detailed review, we'll break down the features, pros, and cons of this robotic vacuum to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. The Airrobo P30 isn't just a vacuum, it's a complete floor cleaning system. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows it to sweep, vacuum, and mop your floors, making it a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. This multi-purpose design ensures it efficiently picks up dry debris while providing a deep mopping experience, leaving your floors spotless and hygienic. Imagine being able to come home after a long day to perfectly clean floors without having to lift a broom or mop. The Airrobo P30 takes care of everything, combining the power of multiple cleaning tools into one compact device. When it comes to suction power, the Airrobo P30 doesn't disappoint. It boasts an impressive 3,000 PSI suction power, making it capable of effortlessly picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. The adjustable scraper ensures the vacuum remains snug against any surface, reaching even the smallest crevices between your tiles. For homes with pets, this feature is particularly valuable. Pet hair, which often seems impossible to fully remove, is no match for the Airrobo P30's suction. With just one pass, your floors will be free of fur, dust, and dirt, making it a perfect choice for pet owners. One of the key features that make the Airrobo P30 stand out is its smart connectivity. Through the Airrobo app, you can easily control the vacuum, set cleaning schedules, select different cleaning modes, adjust suction power, and even control the water flow for mopping. You can do all of this from your smartphone, no matter where you are. And it gets even better. You can also control the P30 using voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Imagine simply telling your robot vacuum to start cleaning while you're cooking dinner or working from home. This hands-free control is the kind of convenience you never knew you needed. If you don't have network access, the Airrobo P30 also comes with a remote control, so you can still operate it manually. This combination of app control, voice control, and remote operation ensures you always have control over your cleaning schedule. Many robotic vacuums on the market follow random paths, often missing areas or taking too long to clean a room thoroughly. The Airrobo P30, however, uses Intelligent Gyroscope Navigation to map out the most efficient cleaning route. By following a zig-zag path, the P30 ensures that it covers every inch of your home in a systematic, thorough manner. This smart navigation feature reduces the chances of the vacuum missing spots or repeatedly cleaning the same area. It's a major upgrade from older models that rely on less advanced technology, giving you a more efficient and quicker clean every time. The Airrobo P30 can run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge in quiet mode, making it ideal for large homes or extended cleaning sessions. Whether you're cleaning multiple rooms or just tackling a specific area, you can trust that this robot vacuum has the battery life to get the job done. And when the battery does start to run low, there's no need to worry about manually recharging it. The P30 automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, recharges itself, and then resumes cleaning where it left off. This auto-recharging feature ensures that your home is always clean, without you having to intervene. One of the challenges with traditional vacuums is reaching those tight spaces under furniture or low tables. The Airrobo P30 solves this problem with its slim 3-inch design, allowing it to navigate under couches, beds, and other low-profile furniture to clean those hidden areas that are often missed. Despite its powerful suction, the P30 operates quietly, meaning you can run it while you're watching TV, working from home, or even sleeping, without being disturbed by loud vacuum noises. It's perfect for those who want a clean home without the added noise pollution. Why the Airrobo P30 is the best choice for your home. The Airrobo P30 Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a balanced combination of power, smart technology, and convenience. Here are the key reasons why it's a top choice for homeowners. For anyone seeking a versatile and powerful robot vacuum that does more than just clean floors, the Airrobo P30 is the ultimate solution. Its 3-in-1 functionality, smart navigation, and ease of use make it an excellent addition to any household. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and find out how the Airrobo P30 can transform your home cleaning routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.